Hey y'all, today I'll be making a passion twist frontal wig using pre-twisted passion twists from Stamped Glorious, an Amazon hair company. So if you're interested in watching, go ahead and stay tuned.
Me I beg you, me beg I them father, make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me Jehovah, Father protect your soul. Can't stop me coming out to clean.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm using these 18-inch passion twists from Stamped Glorious. They're in the color 1B and I use 8 packs. Each pack comes with 11 pieces, and the package comes with a thank you card with the instructions on how to install them with a crochet hook they provide as a gift, as well as some colorful rubber bands and some cute little clips. Alright, so I've been wanting to wear some passion twists, but I did not want to wear the traditional passion twists, like actually twisting my hair down with them, because I know they don't last long, and I didn't want to spend the time crocheting in my natural hair. So I decided to make a frontal wig, and I wasn't so sure how it was going to turn out, so I just used my old frontal from the wig that I've worn and I've installed and all of that in previous videos. I'll put some cards up, so if you want to see this wig in action, or this frontal in action, go ahead and click the cards. See what it was looking like before it got raggedy. So anyways, I sewed on the passion twist to the back of the wig cap, and in the front I braided the frontal down like crochet braids, and I did individuals in the front and in the middle part, and I'm just crocheting in this passion twist hair as if I was crocheting in my natural hair. Now let's get into this hair. This pre-twisted passion twist hair is from Stamped Glorious once again. It's an Amazon hair company, and they sent me 8 packs. Now you can order this hair in 3 packs or in 8 packs, and 8 packs is what you'll need for a full head. The 8 packs I believe is like $50 something, but if you have Amazon Prime, you can get it for $41.99, and they also have a 15% off coupon. And one thing that I like about these passion twists, they're not flimsy. Like the texture of them and the way that they're twisted, they are so durable, and I feel like they will last for a very long time. So shout out to Stamped Glorious. Y'all go ahead and check them out on Amazon. Alright, now that I was done adding the passion twist to the wig, it was a little bit thin, so I decided to add some Freetress deep twist crochet hair into it to give it like a boho look. Not even, what's it called, like bohemian, or like a gypsy passion twist, gypsy twist. Is that a thing? I don't know, but yeah, I use the curly crochet hair just to fill in the blank spots. And I know the braids from the frontal are hanging. I really don't mind. If you decide to make a frontal wig, you can sew it down, but I didn't mind. And as usual, all the products that I'm using, I will be listing in the description box below. And this is the finished wig. Okay. Now I know I could have dyed the front, that little color patch, back black, but I didn't mind, so why you mind? Anyways, I love these twists. I love the fact that they don't tangle with this curly crochet hair. And this is the finished look. I love it. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up anyway. Shout out to Stamp Glorious for sending me these beautiful passion twists. And thank you so much for supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much. Mwah.